Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. As we have started Microsoft Excel tutorial series and already we have completed our 8th lesson, and that our previous lesson I have discussed about some basic topics and also 25 important tips and tricks. So if you're new here, you can watch our previous video. That link and that video are given in description. So if you want to learn that, you can use that. So from that lesson I'll just starting learn 100 plus Excel formulas tutorial series. Okay, so from that lesson we'll just starting learn 100 plus Excel formulas, and in this lesson I am just going to show you about that how we'll use sum formulas, sumif formulas, and sumifs formula, sumproduct formula, and subtotal formula. So this is that five very important formula for our basic work. So I think if you're an Excel learner, then it will be helpful for you. So if you think that you are new to our channel, and if you're a civil engineer also, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update first. So let's start. So first of all, I will open our Excel file. So here is our Excel file. So I have already arranged that. Just I will show you that how we'll work with that file, and how I have made that, and also what is that drop down list. So if you want to see that, then you can see it you can watch our previous video. So first of all, I will show you about the sum function. Okay, they have many ways to use our sum option. So I will just show you the important two way that how we'll use our sum option. So first of all, to use our sum option, okay, we'll just this is the simple way. Just simple give equal to sign here. Okay, after giving equal to sign, just at which product you want to sum, okay, which product you want to sum, just give here simply. Suppose you want to sum that 40 or 400 with 400. Okay, so simply click here 400 and then give plus sign. After that again click that 400 sign. After again give plus sign. So in this way you can add your plus sign and your box where you want to add, then again give your plus sign. Okay, after when it's done, then you can press enter. Just simply see here we have sum or that 3 400 400 400. So we know that 3 400 sum is 1200. Okay, after that I will show you about another way by using formula. So how we'll use that formula directly. Suppose when we have a simple calculation, then we can easily do that, but when we have to calculate huge amount of data, then how we'll go for it? So simply then press equal to, then write sum sum. Just see here is the sum function. This is the function fx sum. So you can double click here. Okay, you can double click here to get that option. Otherwise, if I go back, after that you can also give it simply bracket. Just shift then bracket. Okay, so here is the sum. Now it's telling us here, if you see here, sorry, from here if you see here, it's telling us sum, then number 1 number 2 ... So first of all, who is number we want to sum? So just we have to give here, this is our first, okay, number. Then if we want to sum the total line, okay, if we want to sum that total line, then from here just simply scroll your mouse like that way. Sorry, I'm extremely sorry. From here just first of all I have selected that, then again I have select. So one time you have to select immediately. Just from that upper 400 to lower 400, we'll move our mouse like that way. Okay, and see here that is our range of sum, and from here it's showing us that value. After that, bracket, then enter. So here is your data. Okay, here is your data. Here our full data, here our full data. Okay, 5600. Now if you want to sum that line, okay, simply give here equal to, then sum, then double click. After that, from that point to that point, we'll select simply. So select here. Okay, then enter. Okay, just see here, here is your total sum, and also you can see it here what we have done here. Actually, table 1, okay, sum table 1, and here actually it's showing us because we have sum total table 1. Okay, that's why it's showing us like that. Otherwise, if we use equal to sum, simply double click, then from that point to that point, then enter. Just simply click here. When you will take your mouse, it will show you E7 to E11. We have sum from E7 to E11, that line. We have some total, that's why it's showing us, when we have take mouse here, it's showing us total sum total table 1. I mean, from here, from that table 1, it's sum total. Okay, the value of total. So actually nothing to worry about that. So I will select that and I will just delete that. After that, I'll go for our sumif. So what is the sumif? We'll sum with some condition. This is known as sumif. So simply click equal to, then give here sumif, sumif. Then here you are seeing that two functions, sumif and sumifs. So first of all, I'll show you about sumif, then sumifs. So double click sumif. So from here it's showing us range, then criteria, then sum range. Okay, range, criteria, sum range. So what is the range actually here? Range means what is the range of our criteria? What is the range of our, range means the range of our criteria. So I will first of all, if I told you that suppose we have a project and this is our day of working days, this is our working days, and there our worker was, that is our worker who work here, and here is our the wages. Okay, and here is our total of per day, per day total. Okay, this is the per day total, and this is our 201200, that is our subtotal, I mean full total cost of that project worker, project cost of our worker. Now I will sum only for Sunday. Okay, SUN, and only for Sunday. Okay, I will give the data only for Sunday for our full work, project, for our full working days of our project, that how was the cost for our Sunday. They have one Sunday and another Sunday, two Sunday here. Okay, SUN Sunday. So our what is the range? Range here from that point to that point. This is your range. Then give here simply comma. After that, criteria. What is the criteria? Just for criteria, when you have just simple value, then no need to give inverted comma, but when you have text, then you have to give inverted comma. So simply give double inverted comma by pressing shift, and from that inverted option, double inverted comma. After that, we'll take for our take total sum for our Sunday. So I will simply give a sun, 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 then again give double inverted comma by pressing shift, then double inverted comma. After that, give again comma. Now it's telling us sum range. So for that criteria, from which range we want to sum, so we will sum from our total range. So from here, okay, then we'll give bracket, simply we'll give bracket, then enter. Now see here, this is your data. So this is our data for which data. This is the data for here from Monday, Sunday. The total was 480, and another Sunday that was 1360. So if you sum that, it will be like that. Okay, for 1840. So this is the total sum of our Sunday from that work. So in this way, just we can we can specify our the weekly per days cost of our project. And then now we'll use sumifs. Okay, sumifs. So how we'll use just sumifs? Just simply to use sumifs, click here, similarly equal to, then ACM sum ifs, then double click. So what is the work of sumifs actually? So for sumif only, we have only one criteria. We was able to use only one criteria, but when we will use sumifs, then we will be able to use multi criteria. Okay, so how we'll use that? First of all, it's showing us sum range. Okay, first of all, we have to give here sum range. So from here actually, from where we'll sum for our criteria. So from here total will get here total, then give here comma. After that, it's showing us criteria range 1. Criteria range 1. Okay, so what is the criteria range 1? First of all, I will use from here criteria range 1. Okay, this is the criteria range 1. Then again give comma, then it's telling us criteria. Again I will give a criteria. Suppose now I will find out sum for our Monday. Okay, so I'll give here it double inverted comma MON. Just you have to write that same as that text, then again inverted comma. After that again give comma. So this is now telling us criteria range 2. Now we have to give criteria range 2. So we have completed our first criteria. Now we have to give our criteria range 2. So to give that, just simply from here in criteria range 2, I will give here a criteria. Just I will explain you that in later. So here, and this is our criteria range 2. I will again give comma, then criteria 2. I will give double inverted comma, then more than 40, then double inverted comma, then bracket. When we'll sum, then it's a sum the value from MON Monday. Okay, so the value from Monday, so this is 1360, and another Monday was 1800. It's 1800. Actually, why it's have consider only 1800, not 1360? Because here we have, if we open that, there was the condition. First of all, was our sum range. That was our sum range, the total, that was our sum range. From here it will sum. Then our criteria 1. What is the criteria 1 was? So our criteria 1 was, criteria range was that day, name of the day, this range. After that, our that is our criteria 1, Monday. So we'll sum our value for only for Monday. Okay, that was our first criteria. And in our second criteria, that was, this is the worker table 1 and worker range criteria range 2. So this is worker range, and that was criteria. It will sum for Monday, but only, that was our first criteria, that it will sum for Monday. But in our second criteria, we have defined here when only the number of worker worked 40. Okay, here greater than 40. That means if they have the number of worker 40, then it will take that, it will take that value where at which Monday the worker was more than 40. So just if you see here, they have 34 and they have 44. So our rule is applied for 45. Our rule was applied for 45. So if I simply change that sign, if I give here, if I simply give here smaller than, then see what happened, then press enter. Now see here, now it's have considered that one. So is it clear to you? It's have considered that one. And also you can change that according to requirement. Actually just you have to practice more and more, then you will be able to use that. So after that, that's done. Now I will show you about sum product. What is the meaning of sum product actually? Suppose I need total cost of that project, then what we will do, I will first of all multiply that worker and wages, then I will get that. Similarly for everyone I will get a product of them. Okay, I will product of our per day cost, then I will sum it like that. Click here, SCM sum, double click, and from here select that, bracket, enter. So I will sum it. But there have an option, we can, if we go in that way it will take our huge time. But if we go, if we use our sum product, then it will be very easy to us for that work. So just simply click here, then give OK, then use SUM sum product, use setting sum product, then click here, double click here, and now it's showing us array 1. So that is our array 1, and give comma, then it's telling us array 2. So select that array, this is a first array, this is a second array, then give bracket. And if you have more array and if you need to multiply and work with more array, then you can use that, then simply press enter. Now see that this value and this value are totally same. Okay, this sum and this sum are totally same, but it take many time, and this work make our work very easy. This formula make our work very easy. After that, finally we will learn about subtotal. Actually if I use here sum product, sorry, equal to s sum product, that is our first array, comma, that is our second array, bracket, enter. Okay, now what is the subtotal actually? Okay, what is the subtotal actually? First of all, I will use that subtotal, then I will show you about. Click OK, then SUB sub TOTAL subtotal, then double click, and from here, from what value you want to, from here, for what you want to use subtotal, I will use subtotal for sum. Okay, then you have to give here, you have to simply give here 9, because our subtotal is in 9, then comma, from here the reference 1. Okay, the reference 1. So from here, that line, for that line I will use subtotal, then bracket, then enter. Now see here, here is our total value and our subtotal is same at now. But if we use filter, okay, suppose if we go here formula, and if we use filter, okay, just simply take your mouse here, then click here for filter. Okay, now if we use filter, then that filter will not affect any of that option, but it will affect subtotal. Suppose I need from here, I don't want sum or Friday's value, okay, the value of Friday, then press OK. Just see here, our Friday have gone, but from here our every data is same. Okay, our every data, they have no change of our other data, but from our subtotal, our Friday's value, total cost of Fridays have gone. So in this way, just our filter work with subtotal. Subtotal only work for filter. So if we give here Friday, and if we want to remove another day like that, just see here, this is our total sum, but another value is not available here. See, if we go again, if we go here, and from here if we use, okay, sorry, actually when I have used some and some days, then that range was out, that's why that was also hide. Okay, so when you use when you use filter, then take your that data in bottom, because when you use filter, then it will remove the selected filter. So actually in this way we can use our that wall sum formula. So I think actually our video have been very lengthy, and I will just finish here. And if you think that was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment, because your opinion is very important for us. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.